How to buy Alpha Advisor token. So this token came under the symbol of APAD. So this token is available on Mexc, but before that, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on Mexc to benefit from rewards. So after you create an account on Mexc, make sure to log into your account, and now you can go to this search bar and you can type this token name. In this case, it will be the APAG like that. Now from the top bar, you can select the spot and make sure to select the pair that have USDT. Now click on it. So after that, we wait a few seconds to load this page, as you can see. So you can now type the amount that you want to buy of that token, as you can see. You can type it, or you can drag this to select the percentage that you want to buy this token on it. So after that, here you will be able to see how much you will be able to pay of that USDT on your accounts. And after that, you can click on buy APAG and you will be able to buy it on your account. So this is how to buy APAG token. And if you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.